Hi everyone. One of the benefits of using Advanced ETL Processor is a universal data writer. Let me demonstrate how it works. So say for example we want to create a text file. Just run the button. And here our text file. We can edit it. Here it is. Or if you want to change it and create Excel file instead, all we need to do, we need to change extension and run it again. Here's the Excel file. So as you can see, when we change data target type, there is no need to remap everything. That saves a lot of time for business intelligence developers. Other tools may ask you to add a different writer for Excel files and delete text file writer and remap everything, which can be very time consuming. Same principle applies to data reader. If you work with different data sources and the fields all do exactly the same, all we need to do is to change connection, and you don't need to remap anything, and it will just work. This also allows to design universal ETL solutions. For example, you might have CRM systems which works with both Oracle, SQL Server and PostgreSQL. So all you need to do, you need to develop your transformations once. And if you connect to different database, you just change the connection type, and that's it. There is no need to remap anything. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask them on our support forum. Please like and subscribe.